Are you confused between MintMobile and Ubigi for eSIM services in the US? In this video, I'll share my real experience using both eSIMs to help you choose the right one. MintMobile is perfect if you want a stable, cost-effective plan with good coverage for long-term use. It's like having your traditional mobile plan, but with the flexibility of an eSIM. On the other hand, Ubigi shines for travelers or those who need data on the go. With its flexible pay-as-you-go plans, you can activate data when and where you need it without a long-term commitment. Plus, it's a breeze to switch between countries, which is a big plus if you're always on the move. But what if you need unlimited data without breaking the bank? Check out Yesim, offering unlimited data packages through this link. Yesim combines flexibility with convenience, making it an excellent option if you're looking for reliable, unlimited internet wherever you go. Whether you're a traveler needing versatile data packages or a resident looking for a solid network plan, I'll help you decide which eSIM provider suits your needs best. Watch till the end to get the full lowdown on MintMobile and Ubigi. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more insights like this.